Hey guys, hello people, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera Manu. If this is your first time stopping by, you are very welcome to the family. If you're coming back again, clicking again to watch my videos, thank you so much for your support. If this is your first time stopping by, make sure you click that subscribe button, click the bell notification, join the family, okay? So without wasting any time, without any further ado, I'm just here to talk about this beautiful hair that I have on today, you guys. This hair is from Ornate hair. Now, if you guys know, I've worked with Ornate hair in the past. This isn't my first time working with them. But I just want to say one thing before I start. The quality is so much better than the previous hair that they sent to me. That's the first thing that I've noticed, you guys. The quality is way better than the first ones. I'm going to have a link to this hair in the description box for you guys to assess it. It was pretty much just for 3 bundles of hair and an 18-inch 4x4 closure that I used to make the wig. 2 24 inches, 1 22 inches, and 1 20-inch closure that I used to make this wig that you're seeing right here. The color is amazing. So on the website it's supposed to be 99J, but I know, as you guys can see, it looks more like a red color. So it's not really a 99J per se. It looks more like a red in person. But that's fine because it's not like a bright red, you know what I mean? It's more like a dull, dark red. So it's really pretty and I love that about the hair. This is my first red hair, so I'm really in love with that. Now, if you're thinking about getting this hair, I'm hoping somebody's thinking about getting this hair because this hair looks good. If you're thinking about getting this hair, that's good news. So they're gonna be having a sale up to 55% off on Ornate hairs on Aliexpress between June 15th and June 22nd. So if you're thinking about buying this hair, I would definitely recommend you buy this hair between that period because you're getting up to 55% off on whatever somebody else would pay for this hair. And trust me when I say it's worth it. It's worth it. If you do decide to get this hair, let me know in the comment section. If you really like this hair, let me know. What do you think about red on me? Do you think I should keep wearing some more red colors, or what do you think? Like, just let me know what you think. And another good news, guys, apart from that, you can also use my code VHE10 Ornate to get some money off your order on top of the sale that's already happening. I'm gonna link all of that in the description box. I know you guys love this hair already. Like, I'm pretty much just in love seeing myself right here. But I made it into a wig, you know. If you want to see how I make my wigs, you can watch. I have a video on how I make my wigs. I'm gonna link it in the description box so you can go watch that video if you want to see that. But this hair pretty much came as bundles and I turned it into this beautiful wig that you see here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about like the texture of the hair and all that. So first of all, like I said at the beginning, the quality of this hair, the texture, everything is way better, like way better than the first hair that I got from Ornate hair. It is so soft, and I combed this hair to give it this look. Like I literally combed out this hair today, but it wasn't shedding at all. Well, I mean, there was a little bit of hair that came out, but it was reasonable. Like, just keep watching, you see. I'm gonna attach the video at the end of, you know, when I combed out the hair and how I achieved this look, how I laid it down and everything. But yeah, the hair is very soft. It's supposed to be a 99J. I know, it's supposed to be a 99J, but it's a red. Like, I don't know, to me this looks like a red. I don't know if you guys can see this. I can't be the only one seeing a red, but it's supposed to be a 99J. But to me, it looks like a red, so I'm just gonna call it the red because it looks like a red. But it is so soft, you guys, so soft. I'm not kidding at all. Very soft for the texture. As for right now, it is still very soft. The hair smells amazing. I mean, right now I've already added some products onto the hair, but the hair really smells good before I added the products onto the hair, so it smells really nice. The hair is perfect. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. I know you guys are wondering, okay, how did she get the hair to look like this? How did she get the hair to look, you know, soft? I said I combed out the hair. How did I comb out the hair? I know you guys want to know that. So I'm going to have the next section of this video is pretty much just me showing you guys how I combed out the hair, how I installed the hair, because I know I didn't do that in my previous video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I combed out the hair and how I didn't really get any shedding at all from combing out the hair. So just keep watching to see how I did all of that, okay? And here it is. Okay, so right now I have a mixture of just water and conditioner in here. Guys, you can already see the difference between this side and this side. Like, you can see how fluffy these curls are, and these curls are more, you know, combed out and looks so nice. So nice. Guys, can you see? It's here and it's here. Now, you know what I'm thinking? I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my got2b glue so that the glue is drying while I'm dealing with the other side of my hair. Okay. Okay, so this side has been combed. Now it's not complete without a little bit of mousse. So because I'm going to spend so much time combing this other side, I'm just going to apply my mousse, my curling mousse. Like right now, you can decide to not put any mousse on the hair, but a girl likes her mousse. So let's take a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. And I'm going to start from the top. Then I'm going to run my hands through the curls. Okay, so far one comment that I really want to make is the hair is not shedding. I think that's just one thing that I really like about Ornate hair. It doesn't shed. Like right now it's not shedding. I don't know about later on from now, but right now it's not shedding. I mean, the hair is coming out when I'm combing, but it's not in a huge quantity, and it's very, very much expected because I'm combing the hair with the brush. What do you expect? So it's not shedding, but I'm losing a little bit of hair. I'm going to show you guys how much hair I lose from combing after I'm done combing everything. Send this to the back. Yes, girl. Oof. Now let's move on to this side. Start with some water. I usually start combing from the bottom. Water, and then this is just to maintain the hair texture, moisture. And then I comb. You guys can see, like, the curls are still being maintained. Nothing is happening to the curls here. So guys, make sure you comb the hair out even. Like, you don't want to have some bold, some, you know, really, really curly spots and some loose wave spots, okay? So comb it out evenly so you can see the difference between the side that I combed and applied the mousse to the side that I haven't really applied anything to. you can still see a difference with how curly and smooth it is. So I just keep applying until everything looks the same, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm going to go ahead and put my mousse. Not a lot, you guys, please. Not a lot of mousse. I just put enough to just make the top flat, and then I run my hands through. I try not to put a lot of mousse because I'm only putting the mousse to maintain the curls, you know what I mean? So you don't want that much mousse. Okay, so now that all that is done, the hair is looking so cute. I need to go ahead and take off my scarf. My hands are literally just running through the hair at this point. This is amazing. All you have to do to maintain this is every time you pick it up, just make sure you wet the hair and run your fingers through. Like you pretty much don't have to do much to this hair again every time you can pick it up. I said I was going to tell you guys how much hair I lose from this, so I'm going to just pick up my brush now and I'm going to show you guys how much hair I lost in total. So this is my brush right here, and so after combing vigorously like that, I'll show you guys how much hair I lost. Use a comb and bring out the rest of the hair. Okay, so this is how much hair I lost. I'm just gonna roll it into a ball here for you guys. For me, I feel like if you comb this hair the way that I did and you lose this quantity of hair, it's really not that much. That's how much hair I lost from combing the entire thing. So you don't even lose that much hair. Let me go ahead and take off the scarf now to see what beauty this has turned into. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, this red hair is killing me. Okay, so if you watched all the way to this point, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you supporting me. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. If you also want to see different ways to style your hair, let me know in the comment section, okay? And if you do decide to go get this hair because of me, or because you like the hair, or because you like the hair of me, or because you like the sale, let me know as well. I really love making this kind of videos for you guys. I do enjoy myself making these videos. So much fun to make. But this is the end. Unfortunately, I gotta leave you guys right here. But I'm going to have some more videos coming up, and I also have some previous videos. If you haven't seen my previous videos, go and watch them. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, boom, click that subscribe button now. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and it's time to go. Let me just show you guys one more time what this hair looks like. Close up view of the hair.